Let's talk about every single way that you can make money on Instagram. Is there a minimum follower count or requirements that you need to meet before you could start making money? How do you check to see if you have access to these monetization tools? This video is going to answer all of your questions and more. As always, resources and timestamps will be linked below, so let's jump in. First of all, to check your monetization status, all you have to do is go to your profile, select Professional Dashboard, and if you have a creator account, you will see monetization. There you will see which tools you have access to and which ones you're not eligible for. For all of Instagram's monetization options that we're talking about today, you just need to make sure you're following every single Instagram partner monetization policy and community guidelines. If you don't have access to one of their features yet, that's okay. You can still make money on Instagram. We're gonna talk about that too. Now let's break down all of your options, starting with number 1, badges. When you are live on Instagram, viewers can buy badges to support you and get extra recognition while you earn money from content you're already creating. When viewers purchase badges, you'll see hearts next to their usernames. You could also see the total number of badges purchased and your total earnings, along with any progress or goal that you've set. Instagram badges are currently available to all eligible US creators who are over 18 and have over 10,000 followers. Eligible creators in these countries can get access to this feature by invite only at the moment. If you meet the eligibility requirements and you want to turn badges on, all you have to do is go to your profile, tap Professional Dashboard, and here you'll see a button to set up badges. Then when you go live, they'll automatically be enabled. Number 2 is gifts. Gifts are virtual gifts within the Instagram app that your followers can purchase and send to you to show their appreciation for your reels. When receiving a gift, you'll be able to go to like a gifts feed to see all of them that were sent to you on a post. From there, you could even like gifts so that your followers get a notification, basically recognizing them that you received their gifts. Instagram gifts are currently available to all creators who have a professional account, are over 18 years old, and reside in an eligible country. You also have to have more than 500 followers to get this tool. If you meet the eligibility requirements, you will see gifts as an option under your monetization section, where all you have to do is press get started, and any reel you post after that will be eligible to receive gifts on. Number 3, subscriptions and memberships. Now this is where we start talking about both in-app and off-app options. First, let's talk in-app. Instagram has their subscription feature where you can have followers join at a monthly rate so that you can 1, build a deeper connection with your followers through exclusive content, and 2, earn a predictable recurring monthly income, which is huge for creators. When a follower becomes a subscriber, they get access to a bunch of things like subscriber badges, helping them stand out in your community, subscriber lives, stories and chats, exclusive posts and reels, subscriber home, which will show up on your profile under a crown tab, where they'll instantly get access to all your exclusive content, and even subscriber promotions. In the US, Instagram subscriptions are currently available to all creators who are over 18 years old and have 10,000 followers or more. If you reside in any of these eligible countries, you could also get access to subscriptions. Now, once you're eligible, setting up a subscription is really easy. Literally, all you have to do is choose your subscription price and launch. Now, if you aren't eligible for subscriptions in the Instagram app, that doesn't mean you can't launch a membership. You absolutely can, no matter how many followers you have. This is where a lot of creators default to joining Patreon. I used to have a Patreon back in the day. Patreon's great, super easy, free, but they do take a percentage of your pay every single month when you start a membership through them. Instead, what I recommend to creators who are starting a membership now is to set up their membership through Stan Store, because with Stan, it's an all-in-one tool where you could like sell digital products, sell a course, have your link in bio, put your freebie. You could make money through Stan and you only have to pay $29 a month. Stan never takes a cut of what you're earning. If you've learned something new so far, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It's going to tell YouTube that other creators like yourself enjoy this type of content. And if you learned 2 new things by the end of the video, consider subscribing, because I love making free content like this for you on my channel every single week. And subscribing is just an easy way to support me and my content. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when you, as the creator, earn a commission when a follower purchases an item or items that you've provided a unique link for. This is probably one people are most familiar with. A few ways to make money as an affiliate on Instagram is by placing your affiliate links literally everywhere. If you're talking about an item on your stories, add an affiliate link. Create a highlight with all your affiliate links. Put your affiliate links in your link in bio, and then in your bio, tell people which items you're directing them to. Now, I feel like a lot of creators' default affiliate program is Amazon, but the thing with using Amazon alone is that their commission payout percentages are fixed at pretty low rates. As you can see here in this screenshot, if you're not in the luxury niche, you're making less than 5% commission on any sale that you make through your affiliate link. That's why I always recommend my students to do their research and find affiliate options with higher commission payouts. So what would you say if I told you that there's an affiliate option where you could still talk about your favorite Amazon products and the commission payouts were closer to 20 or 30%? And on top of that, what if I told you it was free and you don't have to apply to get approved because I already talked to the brand and they said they will automatically approve any one of my subscribers who wants to join through my specific referral link. So let's give it up for this video's sponsor, Levanta. As you all know, I'm super particular about which brands I partner with. And when I was talking to Levanta in our first few emails, I told them that one of the biggest pain points that I hear from my audience is that you want to do affiliates, but every program has like hoops to jump through or an application process. So when they told me they would accept all of you and provide dedicated support to help you get started, immediately yes. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Levanta is an affiliate network that connects creators directly with Amazon sellers. What makes it different is because you're getting connected directly with the seller, you actually earn way more than with Amazon's default program. Commissions are often 20 to 30% and sometimes even up to 100% on specific products. So let's say you're just starting out. What you could do is use their attribution link system, which would kind of replace Amazon's affiliate program. In your dashboard, you'd be able to search for the specific product that you want to link to your followers, and any with the green access check are ones that you can share. Or you can start applying to others that are listed. As you can see here, if I wanted to link my followers to this tripod, the commission on Levanta is 20%, versus if I created an Amazon link, my commission payout would only be 4% on literally the exact same item. Plus, instead of Amazon's itty bitty tiny 24-hour window, where if you don't know, if you share your Amazon link to your followers and someone clicks on that link, they would have to make a purchase within 24 hours for you to earn commission on that sale. They can't just leave it in their cart for a few days and then buy it. That doesn't count. You won't get the commission payout. Whereas Levanta, they give you 14 days of attribution. This way you have way more of a chance to get paid on a click. And honestly, the timing couldn't be better for you. We have Prime Day, Black Friday, and holiday shopping coming up. This is literally the best time to go all in and maximize affiliate revenue as a content creator. I've already started making the switch and am using Levanta links instead, because why would I not want to get paid more on products I'm talking about anyway? Because if I'm already going to be getting sales through my links, I might as well use a link that's going to give me a higher payout. Truly no brainer. So I'm going to drop my link down in the description so that you can sign up, like I said, for free. And since you'll be going directly through my referral link, you won't have to worry about any application process. So it'll just take you a couple minutes and then you'll be able to start creating your affiliate links. Thank you so much, Levanta, not only for sponsoring this video, but providing such an amazing source of income and opportunity for my subscribers. I cannot thank you enough. Number 5, branded content or creator marketplace or collaborations or sponsorships, whatever you want to call it. Here again, we have both in-app and out-of-app options. We're gonna start in-app. So in-app, Instagram has something called their creator marketplace. When you join their creator marketplace, you choose your interests to let brands know the type of content that you want to create. Then you'll get discovered by eligible brands for branded content opportunities. You'll also have an inbox folder specifically for partnership messages so that you could respond easily and quickly when a brand reaches out to you. This feature is currently available in these countries. All you have to do to be eligible is have a creator account and follow community guidelines. If for some reason you are not seeing this option in your monetization tools, you could still work with brands. You could still land brand deals and partnerships without the creator marketplace tool. And not only that, it's okay if you have under 1,000 followers. I see nano creators under 1,000 followers working with dream brands every single day. What you want to be doing is making sure you're creating consistent quality content that you think brands would be interested in partnering with you on. Make sure you're replying and engaging with your audience, because that's one of the main things that brands look for. Are you actually connected to your followers and can convert sales for them? And third, all you have to do to get started is sign up on third-party platforms to land brand collabs like Aspire IQ, #paid, Octoly. These places, you just create an account, and then after you created your account, you'll see which campaigns are currently running and you could apply to those campaigns. I've been talking a lot more, specifically on TikTok, about brand collaborations and partnerships and how you could get started with them as content creators. So let me know in the comments down below all the questions that you have when it comes to brand partnerships, because I'd love to talk a little bit more about that here on my channel. I already have a series that teaches you how to price brand collaboration, so you could watch those videos now. But anything else aside pricing, let me know what sort of questions you have and I could create videos right here for you, long form, no fluff. You're welcome. Number 6, we have bonuses. Bonuses are basically where you get paid per play or per view on your content. And this feature is currently being tested for a limited time. There are 2 different types of bonuses happening right now. You have seasonal bonuses and breakthrough bonuses. At the time of filming this video, there are 2 invite-only seasonal bonuses happening. A seasonal bonus for Reels and a seasonal bonus for posts, which focus on carousels or single image posts. Depending on the season that we're in, you'll see different bonuses pop up like Black Friday, Christmas, or even like a New Year's bonus. If you're somebody who has received an invite to a seasonal bonus, you'll see the invite on your professional dashboard, and once you accept the invite and complete the onboarding flow, you can then start earning from sharing public Reels or posts, depending on which bonus you've been invited to. The more plays or views your content receives, the more you earn. Seasonal bonuses are invite only for creators in South Korea and in the US who have a professional account, are 18 years or older, and you must also have a minimum of 5 million bonus reel views each month for the last 3 calendar months. We talked about seasonal bonuses. Now let's talk about the breakthrough bonus campaign. This is for creators who are new to Facebook or Instagram. If you're accepted, you could immediately start earning money with your content and even potentially earn up to $5,000 in extra breakthrough bonuses to help you get off the ground in the first 90 days. To be eligible, you have to apply. You apply at Meta for creators. You have to be based in the US. You have to be 18 years or older and have an existing presence on a third-party social app that you can link directly or in the application process. You also have to have or create an Instagram professional account and Facebook page and not be participating in any other Facebook monetization program. Number 7, selling digital products. These features are not directly in-app. But monetization tools literally change all the time on Instagram. So it's possible that these could be offered directly in app someday. The best way to stay up to date on which features or monetization tools are currently running is always just by checking your own monetization status, no matter when you're watching this video. Now, I talk about selling digital products all the ding dong time here on my channel. This is where you create a simple digital download for your audience, something that is valuable to them, and set a price to it, and you could start passively selling that on your Instagram. I have plenty of resources here on my channel about how you could create an ebook, a guide, templates, whatever. I have plenty of walkthroughs and tutorials, so you could check any of these videos out after this one. Number 8, we have selling physical products. Now, this could be anything from merch to print on demand or anything of the sorts. Right now, businesses on Instagram can directly sell physical products in app, but creators currently can't. So in the meantime, while Instagram figures out how creators can have access to these sorts of features, if you're somebody who wants to create merch, you can create and sell merch on places like Shopify, Printful, or Spreadshop. I've used Spreadshop. I love Spreadshop. I used to partner with them often. I love them, love their team. So if I had to choose, I am a little bit biased, but Spreadshop could be the way to go. Now, if you're somebody who's a little bit more into like print on demand, we got Printify, we got Shopify, we got Printful. You got plenty of options for selling physical products. Those are all the ways that creators are currently making money on Instagram. What I want you to do is watch this video next because YouTube thinks you'll like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.